Greetings, future scholars of America. Mr. Barfield here with another grammar video. Feel free to pause, rewind, fast forward at any times. Today's subject is simple subjects and simple predicates. Now, before we dive into what a subject and a predicate is, we need to classify the four different types or kinds of sentences. First of all, there's declarative. That's a statement that ends with a period, like, our class loves grammar. Then we have interrogative, which is a question that ends with a question mark. Do they really love grammar? Next, we have exclamatory. That expresses a strong feeling and ends with an exclamation point. They really love it! Then, lastly, we have imperative. That gives a command, makes a request, and ends with a period. Do more grammar. So now that we know the four kinds of sentences, what exactly is a sentence? Well, it's a complete thought that's made up of a subject and a predicate. So what's a subject and a predicate? A subject names whom or what the sentence is about. Note, in imperatives, the subject is usually not stated. The predicate is the whole sentence. The word you is the implied subject, like in this one. You do more grammar. You is the implied subject. The predicate is everything that's not the subject or everything that comes after the subject. It tells what the subject does, has, or what the subject is or is like. Now, the simple subject is the noun or pronoun that tells what the sentence is about. And the simple predicate is the verb or verb phrase that expresses the essential thought about the subject. So, to tell the difference between subject and simple subject, let's look at this sentence. Our class loves grammar. The subject of this sentence is our class. The predicate loves grammar, but the simple subject, just class. Simple predicate, just loves. Everything else, it's extra, basically. Let's look at this sentence. Taylor Swift will perform tonight. What is the simple subject? Taylor Swift. It's a compound proper noun. Simple predicate, will perform. That's a complete verb phrase. Tonight, that's just extra. Okay, until next time, see you later.